Hello everyone, welcome in St. Joseph English Medium School and I'm your math teacher, Lubna. We are going to learn chapter number 4 in this geometry. Okay, so geometry means study of different kinds of shapes like point, line segment, ray, different kinds of angles. It's very interesting one. So let's go. All the best. First, we are going to learn what you're looking in your screen. What you can see. Yeah, it's a not circle, it's a small point. It is a point. Where you use point? Yes. After writing a sentence, when sentence complete, you will give one point, one dot. Correct. So like this in geometry, it's called point. It's called point. Okay. You have pencil. Okay. The nib of the pencil have sharp point, right? That is called point. So let's see definition of point. The tip of a pin or a needle is an example of a point. For a point. Tip of a pin or a needle. Pin or needle? Needle means suई, suji, correct? So if you touch that point, okay, you can get sharp point, correct now? So that is called point. The tip of a pin or a needle is an example of a point. A point is represented by a capital letters. Whenever you have to give a name for a geometrical shape, it should be capital. Okay, any shape like point, line segment, ray, angles, anything. The letter should be capital. Like to read as point A, point B, point C. See here. This is one point. We can give name for it as A. So it is called point A. Next point B and next one point C. Okay, you have to write name for them like this. Capital A, B, C. Point A, point B, point C. So once again, I'll read the definition of the point is the tip of a pin or a needle is an example for a point. Okay, you have to remember this much. The tip of a pin or a needle is an example for a point. A point is represented by a capital letter like point A, point B, point C. Line. Line is very common word, okay? Where you use, yeah, you use in math, science, in all the subject. You have to draw lines. And lots of time I told, use scale to draw lines. Correct? Line means a straight line, any kind of line. Straight line, horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, standing line, slipping line. Okay. So stand in a line properly. Correct now? So line. What is line? Let's see. A line has no endpoints. A line can extend to both the sides. Line means it does not have any end point. Okay. You can see in the figure at the end both arrow marks are there. Okay. Arrow marks are there. So these arrows indicates that you can go ahead. Okay. There is no limits. There are no limits. Okay. So line means a line has no end point. Okay, a line extends to the both the side because both side arrow marks are there at the end. You can see these points are called line. Okay, but in the line these points not exists. Okay, line means arrow marks. Simple. When you get when I tell you ask when I'm going to ask you tell me definition of line. Just you remember how lines shape diagram. Then you have to narrate your own definition. Both the end arrow marks are there. It means no end points. So you have to tell me a line has no endpoint. A line extends to both the sides. See here, these 2 points and these circles is showing arrow mark. Okay, at the both end, this arrow mark means no end. You can extend as much as you want. Okay, and this point you can write name as A and B. Read as line AB or line PQ. AB or PQ. PQ is upside, okay, or QP. Any name you can write, like BA or AB also. Okay. Write as AB and upside one line, small diagram. Okay, and BA also and lines shape. Now we go for line segment. Line segment, and what we learn, line does not have any end points because at the both end arrow marks are there. But in the line segment, what is there? Say here you can see arrow marks. No, here no arrow marks are there. So only points are there. Point A and point B. When arrow marks are not there, it means you can't extend to the both the direction. Extend means बढ़ाना उद्द ಮಾಡಬಹುದು in arrow mark. Okay, but in line segment, sorry, in line, but in line segment you can't extend. Okay, what is the definition? A line segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints. It has two endpoints. Okay, two end point. End means finished. Okay, so you can't extend. In line you can extend ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but in line segment you can't extend ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, a line segment is a part of a line. It has two end points. You can see a point A and point B. See here, you can give any name DE, but it should be like AB, BC, DE. You can't write AZ, PR. You can't write like this. Okay, next alphabet only should be there. So how you read this? Read as line segment DE or line segment ED. You can write from the right side also and from the left side of its name. And write as segment, segment DE and segment ED. Okay. Now ray. Ray, you know na, arrow, baan. Okay. What you can tell me, what you can see in the ray and explain. See, ray, you can see in the picture, one side arrow mark is there and one side point is there. Correct? It means the figure tells itself that where arrow mark is there, it can extend from there. Where point is there, it can't extend from there. Correct? A ray has one endpoint. Alright? It can be extend only in one direction. Where arrow mark is there, it can extend there only. Okay, so read as xy. It is also start from the end point. It also always start from the end point. Okay, write as ray xy. Okay, see here, a ray has one end point. One end point you can see in the picture. It can be extend only in one direction. Where the arrow mark is there, it can extend in that direction only. Read as ray xy. It also starts from the end point. Okay, and write as ray xy. Okay. You can give any name, PQ or something like that. Now we are going to learn angles. Angle. Okay. So here angle means, you can see picture here, vertex, ray 1 and ray 2. Vertex means the point where two rays share a common point. Okay. From this single point, two rays are sharing this common point. From this point, two rays are coming out. So this is called angle. Okay, when two rays share a common point, an angle is formed. You can see here this vertex, where vertex is there, here one single point is there. from that point two rays are sharing that point and coming out. Okay, when two rays share a common point, an angle is formed. It read as angle ABC or angle CBA, and write as angle ABC or angle CBA. Look at the picture here, angle ABC and BC. See, always write angle ABC. This B, you can see a B. B should be compulsory in the middle. Angle ABC, or you can write angle CBA. Alright. So what is the definition of angle? When two rays share a common point, an angle is formed. Okay. Diagrams, this geometrical definitions of point, line segment, ray and angle is very easy, and next exercise is also very interesting. So just bite all the definitions. Okay, and I'm going to call you and listen what definition you have by it. So all the best and thank you.